In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy CutePDF Writer. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup and also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will start this video by downloading CutePDF installation executable file, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to CutePDF download page, and here I will click on free download. Now I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. Here I will open File Explorer because I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible to my computers. I will click here, enter my file server name, it's SRV02. Here I have this software share, I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder called CutePDF Writer. And I will go inside of that, and I will place the executable here. And now we can start creating our package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on Packages, select a new package. I will name the package CutePDF Writer. Then let's click on Steps, Install. Here we need to provide our installation file, so I will click here. Go to my file server once again, SRV02, the software share, CutePDF Writer folder, and select the executable. And now we need to provide silent switches so that the installation happens silently, and for that I will go to my GitHub page. Because here I have all the necessary silent switches, I will click this button to copy all the values. Then I will go back to VMware Workstation and I will place the silent switches here. And that's basically it. Now we can save our package. Let's close the window here. Now let's select our package here. And then let's deploy it to our client machines. And for that I will click on the button Deploy. Deploy once. Now let's select our targets by clicking on Choose Targets, Active Directory, Computers. I will be deploying this package to my client 01 and client 02, so I will select both of them. I will move them to this window right here. Then let's click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that deployment is over. We can see that it was successful on both of my clients. But now let's double check by going to client 01 that I have here. Let's open Control Panel, uninstall a program, and we can see CutePDF Writer in our program list here. That means that the installation was successful. We can also try to create a PDF document. So I'll go to my Start menu. I will open WordPad. I will type, let's do automation. Now let's click on File, Print. Here we have our CutePDF Writer printer. Let's print. Let's save the PDF document on my desktop and click on Save. And now the document appeared here. I will double click on it. And we have our document created. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And see you in the next one.